Working in Memphis is special to me because this is my hometown. I have family here. Memphis always says they have a grit and grind, and that's just a drive that people here in Memphis have. And I also love the diversity of the city. Just love meeting and working with and being friends with and spending time with different types of people from different walks of life.
Well, I'm most proud of being part of the Asa Abloy Memphis team because of the opportunity that I've had to grow within my career. From the beginning of my career to where I'm at now, I'm very proud to say that I work for this company. The team I work with is awesome. They're very kind to each other, and and that's what you need, to get ahead and to move along and to work together.
All the support, all of the warmth, all of the family feel that we have here, that is what makes this totally special. And to know that I have the support to do anything and go anywhere I want.
Best part about being in this job is like me being in packaging with my experiences and then taking those experiences and now incorporating into the shipping experiences to help get the right product shipped out properly and doing a job and trying to do it well.
The best thing about working here is to see how well we work together as a team, especially when we're in the clutch. From the supervisors, team leads, the employees on the floor, we all roll our sleeves up to meet these goals. It's an awesome thing to watch and to witness. It's all come together for this one goal. Page, we're on the same accord, we all have the same goal. That's what I enjoy, that's what keeps me going. I know if I need the help, no one's not going to back me.